Hi, I'm Danny Karon, your lovable lawyer, here with your quick shot of legal wellness. So, do you know what wage theft is? It's when your employer doesn't pay you what they owe you for the time you worked. Now, that might be a function of, putting on an outfit and taking it off, and you're not paid for that. Or maybe it's setting up a piece of equipment, and you're not paid for that. Well, my experience with wage theft came in the context of a lawsuit I had against a major nationwide health club chain. I'm going to tell you about it because I want you to think of some similarities that might have affected you. Now, what happened in my case was this club, you see, they have group fitness instructors, folks who teach spinning and yoga and Pilates, those sorts of things. And they made them show up 15 minutes early to set up class. They made them teach for 60 minutes, and then they made them stick around 15 minutes afterward to clean up, to talk to guests, to schlep towels, even though they had a cleaning crew, all that kind of stuff. Problem was, they only paid them for the 60 minutes of teaching time. But you see, the promise was, when they got hired, that they were going to get paid by the hour, not by the project, not a piece rate it's called. Rather by the hour, meaning 90 minutes of pay is what they were owed. Yet they only received 60. So my client called me up. We sued a class action against the health club. And after a couple years of real tough fighting, we were finally able to settle the case and get group fitness instructors a lot of money back for the time they weren't paid yet were promised. Sometimes, or in some cases rather, several $1,000s. Big deal, a real big deal. So think about yourself. Think about things you might not have been paid for. I mean, a lot of times it's awkward, it's uncomfortable. You don't want to say anything. You don't want to stir the pot. Maybe you're wrong. Maybe you don't want to do the math. You get lazy. You're getting a paycheck. Big deal. But you know what? It matters, and it is a big deal. Wage theft is a real big deal. Make sure it doesn't happen to you. And now, if it does, you have a choice. Say something, say nothing, but it's from a place of information. And that's today's shot of legal wellness. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit me at yourlovablelawyer.com. And until next time, I'm Danny Karon, your lovable lawyer.